People are coming from PGI, and people are coming from Chandigarh University, people are coming from NDRI, people are coming from Central University, Haryana, and they are very good and renowned people who is going to deliver the talk every day up to 7 days, right? And we are also there. I'm also there as a speaker, and I will also explain you that what are the role of these microbes as and how we can use these microbes to develop specific enzymes, because enzymes, they are very important for our daily life. Enzymatic action of the microbes are very, very important, and with the help of these microorganisms we can get the beneficial enzymes for metabolical activities and daily life. We cannot, without enzymes, nothing is there. We cannot perform our daily metabolical activities inside body, outside body, and environment is also there. So environmental organism also supporting us, and our gut microbiota is also helping us to improve our immunities as well. So it's my humble request to you all of you who's my like viewers in my YouTube channels. They can join this particular workshop on microbiology from 12th to 20th December 2024. So this will be the last workshop, you can say, in this region in North India. I don't know other about the other places also. Maybe there are some workshops or conferences are going on, but in the December month, this would be an amazing, or you can say informative which is dealing with the small organism which we cannot see our without eyes. If अगर बात करें सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, तो ऐसे ऐसे जीव जिनको हम आंखों से नहीं देख पाते हैं, राइट, जिनको देखने के लिए हमें माइक्रोस्कोप की ज़रूरत होती है, तो माइक्रोस्कोप से हमारे हाथों में बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया वगैरह हो सकते हैं, फंगस होते हैं, फंगल स्पोर्स होते हैं, बैक्टीरियल स्पोर्स भी हो सकते हैं, एंडोस्पोर्स. सो उनकी स्टडीज़ फर्दर वो हमारे लिए कैसे बेनिफिशियल है, ये इन सब के ऊपर स्पेशल साइंटिस्ट हमारे पास बीच में आ रहे हैं. कुछ साइंटिस्ट ऐसे भी हैं जिनको हमने इनवाइट किया है, एक्स पीजीआई पीपल जो हैं, जो पहले पीजीआई से एमडी या आगे की पढ़ाई करके जो हैं एमबीबीएस एमडी के बाद डीएम करके जो कुछ कैंडिडेट्स जो गए हैं, वो भी इस वर्कशॉप में जो है ऑनलाइन जो है लेक्चर्स डिलीवर करेंगे. और उसके बाद जो है हमारी जितनी भी फैकल्टीज़ हैं, दे ऑल आर क्वालिफाइड एमएससी, पीएचडी, पोस्ट डॉक, और इवन दे हैव वेरी गुड एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ जो हैं आपको पूरा हैंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस होगी. जितने भी जो टॉक्स होंगी उसके रिलेटेड, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के रिलेटेड ये जो है वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज की गई है. सो आई एम ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द टीम ऑफ ओरिजिन लाइफ एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्लिनिकल एम्ब्रियोलॉजी एंड रिप्रोडक्टिव जेनेटिक्स, आई एम inviting you all people to be the part of this amazing workshop, so that you can learn maximum, you can learn, or you will be getting an opportunity to interact with the people who is working in the field of microbiology and biotechnology as well, and clinical embryology as well. So this is the team of all microbiologists, biotechnologists, zoologists, and it is also the team of people who is working on the food microbiology as well, right? So we are going to call the people and we are going to disclose it tomorrow. Before 11th we are going to disclose that who is coming as a speaker and who is coming as a guest of lectures. And the people every day there one different speaker is coming for to deliver you the talks. And after that, after lunch, there will be hands-on practice for all the participants, all the candidates who are already registered for this workshop. So it's my humble request to you all, if you want to be the part of it, then please register. The link is given below, and welcome you all in the field of microbiology, and wishing you best of luck and all the best for your this particular workshop. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the workshop. Thank you so much.